Today I'm going to cover how to make a little bit of extra money for you to use on the Google Play Store or renting movies and things like that for digital purchases on Google. There is an app called Google Rewards. You just need to download that and sign up. It will look something like this right here, rewards. So they keep sending you surveys and you need to answer them and you get paid on that. So I have a survey available right now. Let's answer the survey. I just say, okay, got it. Have you recently used the Google Assistant on your smartphone? Yes. Have you recently said or typed any of the following to the Google Assistant? Ma'am, navigate to 1990 North Dobson Road. How satisfied? I was very satisfied with the response. Yes, after the first try itself. Fast. I don't know. I didn't notice, so I'm just gonna go with fast. Strongly prefer Google Assistant because I'm in the car. None at all. So I earned 52 cents for answering all those questions. So if you keep doing that, your balance increases. Right now my balance is 11.98, and which I would be able to use it in the Play Store. So it shows Play Store right here. And I guess I have never tried it because there's no recent movie that I wanted to rent or buy from the Google movies and TV store, but probably it works there as well. So there you go, guys. Make some extra money and buy those apps that you love without spending your own money, just by giving answers to these questions. So Google Opinion Rewards in the Play Store, it just looks like rewards. Okay. Thank you for watching.